Hi, welcome to this introductory lecture or introductory video on the MOOC course Introduction to Queuing Theory. My name is N. Selvaraju. I am a professor in the Department of Mathematics, IIT Guwahati. So, what is this course is all about? Like that is what we are going to see in this video. As you know, like stochastic modeling in mathematics is the application of probability theory to the description and analysis of real world phenomena. Okay. And this is a science with a close interaction between the theory and practical applications. An important domain in stochastic modeling is the field of queuing theory. Many real systems can be reduced to components which can be modeled by the so called queues or waiting lines. Right? You have seen in reality waiting lines are queues everywhere. So, the queuing theory is the mathematical study of the queues. More generally, if we have to say, queuing theory is concerned with the mathematical modeling and analysis of systems that provide service to some random demands, right. So, the basic idea here is being borrowed from your day-to-day life that you see in grocery store, in airport, and when you are making a call to a call center, right, and on the road traffic signals, right. So, etc., like you see different real life phenomena where these queues exist, right. Some of the common questions that the queuing theory can address is what is the average time spent in the queue or in the waiting line, how long are the lines on an average, right, what is the average number of customers, which generally call as a customer, a generic term, but it could mean anything. If it is a traffic signal, the number of cars or vehicles that are waiting. If it is a call center, then the calls that are waiting, right, and how many customers wait more than a specified number of time, how many customers are being turned away, right, for various reasons, right, and how many servers are needed to achieve a target quality of service. So, this quality of service is a technical term which is used mainly in computer communication networks and communication networks, where you set a target that this particular service, you define it as a quality of service parameter, and like how many or how do you design a system so that you meet the quality of service, right, and how fast the servers must work. These are all some questions which are in the very basic setup, but the more complex systems that you are going to have, you have many more questions that can be answered. So, all these questions and their answers provide the decision makers to a way to efficiently manage the system. So, but our focus in this particular course is dealing with various particular quantitative models that are used to analyze queuing systems and their mathematical analysis. Okay. The quantitative models that we talk about is basically probabilistic or stochastic models is what then we are looking at it and their analysis. So, we have a queuing system. Okay. We will see how it can be converted into a mathematical form as a mathematical model, probabilistic or stochastic model, and how one can analyze. So, basically our main objective here in this particular course is the creation of various mathematical models or stochastic models and how one can analyze mathematically those models to get the required answers that you want to know with respect to the real system which is being modeled mathematically using the stochastic models, right. So, we assume for the start of this course, we assume a prior knowledge of a calculus based probability theory, right. Of course, we have to start somewhere. So, this is what we are assuming, but knowledge of Markov chains, continuous time Markov chains is maybe helpful, but as you see, like we are going to cover this aspect in the key aspects of the continuous time Markov chain, which is what the most of the course, or at least more than half of the course will be based upon. The various models will be based upon a continuous time Markov chain. So, that we will be covering in about say 2 modules, say about 5 or 6 lectures, we will cover the key aspects, but if you have the knowledge it will be more helpful, you will be feeling that you are at ease with the general thing that you are going to do further. But if not, of course, these models will be able to help you to get that required knowledge. Okay. So, queuing theory is basically a intricate at a highly practical field of mathematical study, has vast applications, like some of them I have pointed out here: computer systems and networks like internet, calls, these kind of things. When you want to design, or communication networks, communication systems and network like mobile networks, call centers and so on. And in manufacturing and service systems and networks like assembly line, you have a production system, you have a supply chain system, you will have these kind of models arising. Healthcare system, when you want to design an emergency system, emergency care, like how you hospital management may, or airport, seaport traffic, anywhere, or even on the road traffic. Military logistics, theme parks like supermarkets, inventory management and so on. You can have plenty of applications for this. Basically what we are going to see, models, any place where you can see a similar scenario or system, that these models can be used, right, to study such systems, right. First you get an analysis, you have to analyze the existing system, and then you have to see like how one can improve upon. So, this queuing theory community has a web page, you have lot of materials, lot of information, everything about queuing theory can be heard from this particular web page that we are showing on the screen. Like if you are interested, like you can look at this page to get more information about this. Okay. Now, let us briefly come to the course information and the content. The content is, we will start with an introduction to queuing models, the basic ones. Then as I said like earlier, like we will briefly delve into the continuous time and discrete time Markov chain ideas, because this is important as far as your further theory development is concerned. So, since we are not assuming a prior knowledge, but we are assuming only a calculus based probability knowledge. So, we will spend about 5-6 lectures on this. Then based upon the models, like we will start delve into the very basic system, queuing systems, which are called birth death queuing systems, like, and its analysis, the different variations of that, and what kind of analysis that one looks for and so on. And then non-birth death but still Markovian queuing systems would be the next one to do, followed by queuing networks. In the non-birth death queuing models only, like we will have a general Markov chain model to analyze a queuing system. Okay. So, such models is what we will be dealing with in this. And queuing networks is basically things are not just standalone queuing systems, right. If you take internet for example, right, there is a user here sitting here, and there is a user sitting somewhere else, and in between it goes via different routers and different connections. So, these are all you could think it of as a network. Okay. And whatever information that you might demand from the internet, like it can be collected from various places and served to you, or it is shown to you. So, right. So, more common use from the user point of view, realistic point of view, is what this queuing networks will come. So, this is queuing networks is what we will study. After that, we will try to generalize from this Markovian setup to a bit more general one. The first one is the semi-Markovian queuing systems. Of course, the required stochastic models, right, because this queuing theory relies on models from stochastic processes. The stochastic models like renewal process and so on, we will have an idea about that before we start this semi-Markovian queuing systems. We are some amount of Markovness is there, but you are generalizing to a bit more general setup. And then finally, we will do general queuing systems at a very elementary level, right. So, you can see that most of the things up to this relies on Markovian systems, like these three parts. This is semi-Markovian part and this is general part is what. So, the main text that we might follow for this is this Shortall, Thomson, Gross and Harris Fundamentals of Queuing Theory into its 5th edition in 2018, but the 4th edition is available as Indian edition. So, for example, this is the 4th edition that you might see, right. So, this is available in Indian edition. Earlier times it is known as Gross and Harris book, but now later on these two authors added to this, and this is what Of course, there are other good books, like we will see more on that page, right, but these are some of the good books. Again, the classic one, Klein-Rock book, of course our own Mehdi's book, and then this has lots of computer science based application. This is with respect to queuing networks and so on. Okay. So, you can see more on this web pages. So, basically what we will do a mathematical analysis. So, of course, the course will be a bit oriented mathematically and with the required things that is being given here. and it is addressed to undergraduate and postgraduate level, elective level. So, to people who are interested in math, stat, computer science engineering, communication engineering, production, manufacturing engineering, operation research, management science, but with required knowledge of probability theory, they should be able to take this course. Here we will give you the techniques, tools, methods, and how one can analyze, how to obtain certain quantities of interest, which one can be used to in the practical field, right. So, that part will be, but this is an introduction course. So, we will be dealing with only the mathematical analysis of queuing system, that is what you want. Okay. So, hope like this has given you some idea about what you can expect in the course, what are the prerequisites, what you need to have to not to take this course, but hopefully like you will gain a lot, or whatever you feel like from by doing this course, and what's more you wait for, right, queue for this course. Okay, thank you, bye.